What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you for tuning in again to watch another video here on N54 More. Today we will be working on my homeboy's 328i and we will be changing the fuel pressure regulator.
Your man hit your phone, wanna make a ride. Swerving in your car, do a make a ride. Almost at the club, baby.
Alright, so we already got the seat pulled up. Obviously, you just yank up on it from these clips. You can see that. You just pull up on the seat. Pump is on this side, 410 millimeters over there. Pull that up, and there's your pump. Then over here is where you've got the sending unit. So this is the regulator where it's going to be, and this is where we're going to be working. So let's go ahead and start removing these. Alright, so in order to remove this line, what you have to do is push the line backwards this way towards the rear of the car, and then hold this in place and pull the line backwards. So push down, hold that backwards, and pull on the line, and it'll come out. Alright, so if you don't have the removal tool, then we're going to try using the hammer and screwdriver method. So you'll put your hammer on it right here. Use a big one. Put your hammer like right here on it, and you'll hit it. Around. Yeah. Do the same thing for the other side. Okay, so we fought to get this one off. This one here. I'll show you guys how to do that in a little bit, or if I can find it. So you got it. I gotta do it now. So you'll grab this, and you'll push on the back side here, and it'll open up. So then you'll just push back here, opens up, pull it off. Use the pliers if you have to pull that one off. Then you've got this connection down here, same thing. You press on the little green piece, blue piece, and pull it off. These are the other hoses right here and right here that you just lift these up and they come right out. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and pull the fuel pressure regulator, the sending unit, from the other side.
That was nice. Not really.
Alright, we got everything out, so now we're just going ahead and take out these seals. The other one will be a lot easier because you don't have to pull it over the pump. We got one seal out there. And the other one out now. Cool. So let's go ahead and do everything else in order to get this ready to install. So if you get this unit and this level sensor isn't installed, you have two blue wires. One blue wire will have a ground on it right there. It'll go here, and then that one will come around and go to the closest one right here. So from there to there to this one, and then the single wire will go in this hook and then come over here to this one, and then you just slide it in, lock it in. Be careful not to break the whole plastic. And then that's assembled. So now we'll put the seals in and go ahead and get ready to install this. Okay, we got the seals installed. They're black seals, so you don't see them properly, but that's where the seals are. Got them installed over there. So what we're gonna do now is run the pump through and then hook it up on this side. Okay, so what we did here, you can see that, yeah, that's a good shot. So the black line went up to the bottom clip, and then the other one went to this clip right here at the top. So you slide this clip right here on, this hose right here on, and then that's it for the install. You see we already did this side already. We got that all put together, but we want to make sure it's not leaking, so we're just gonna wait till we start it up. So now I'm gonna go ahead and reassemble everything. This is gonna go back in here, right there, and then the big hose is gonna go on top, and then we're gonna struggle and fight to get this back in. You will not see that. Okay, so we started everything up. There's no leaking over here, and there's no leaking over here. We're good on that. So what we're gonna do now is go ahead and put these all back together, and then put the seat back in and check everything out. Note, if you guys are doing this, make sure to prime the fuel pump first, or it'll start misfiring and then you'll have to clear the code. Alright, well, everything is done. It's all put back together. Got the seats back in. Started it up. Like I said, it misfired on cylinder 1. So make sure to prime your fuel pump a couple times. But other than that, that's it. Well, that's gonna be the end of this video. Hope you liked it. Hopefully it helped you out. Hey, what you got to say to them?
Like and subscribe for more, baby.
Like, subscribe, comment, notifications. All of that. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace. But before we end it, I want to say a quick couple shout outs, because you already know me. If I got people that I know doing something, then I appreciate it, and especially if they're helping me out. So first shout out is to my homeboy John for helping me work on his car, and having content to put out on the channel. And second is to my boy Brandon for the beat that you heard in this video. Serious beat. I didn't even know he made beats. But he also does gaming, so his gaming will be down here, and his Instagram will be up here, just in case you guys, want to get a beat or watch some Twitch stuff. But anywho, like I said, end of this video, like, subscribe, comment, catch you guys in the next one.